Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You've already copied the resume? Good. First, find the photo placeholder or existing headshot on the page. Don't waste time on menus. Next, prepare your replacement. Crop roughly to a head and shoulders frame and export as JPEG or PNG under 2 MB so Word stays responsive. Once done, right-click the placeholder to reveal context options. This is where you'll start swapping images. Make sure the picture's aspect ratio matches the layout to a. Now you'll replace and fit the photo. Right-click the placeholder and choose Change Picture, then from a file to insert your prepared image. This preserves formatting. After insertion, open size and position, set the width/height, and lock the aspect ratio so the headshot doesn't stretch. Then change wrap text to square or tight to keep text flow intact. If the photo overlaps text, nudge it with arrow keys for pixel-perfect placement before final tweaks. Finish by checking alignment and spacing. Use Word's guides or grid lines to ensure the headshot lines up with other elements. Save your work as a docx, then export a PDF to confirm how it will appear to employers. PDFs flatten layout and reveal compression issues. If the image looks pixelated, undo, replace it with a higher resolution file, or turn off image compression in Word settings. Finally, make sure file size stays reasonable before sending.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.